Ka jingyap na gajing batai dynamite hapo kawe ka party do yong bean hamen sngat haka thain thang sko East Giant Hills kala kiyo sya ka khat kandai ngun kat ba arngut ki beriu kila sya kem no haka baya day bat kani ka jingja ong umintri katana revenue and disaster management uba la kemen rumbui haka Henry Trik rempang uba la kemen ubala le jurip sya ka jakati do yong haringkat umintri sorkar uba awailat miki shela ka MLA kathan ka kong Santa Mary Shela lembat ki he officer ula ong ba Maria yo jingtip halor ketika jingja ka balajia ha ka santrik rempang ki board district kilapan kre mardor ya ki kinhun ai jingaram upin tip ru ba ki officer na ka district kentup ya u block development officer bat ka kinhun ai jing smar ki lahir marmar sya ketika jaka kat ba ka kinhun na ka state disaster response force SDRF but National Disaster Response Force NDRF kilawan poi haka district nakabenta ki kam ay jingaram hakapor ba ki kinhun kilawan poi haka jaka layo bantam ki khat pratli ki metyam kat ba prangut ki weipat kilangan haki jimensaw ya baro ki metyap lapen ken rea no syapok Clearet Civil Hospital nakabenta benle yak badan kam kat kum kaan kat baya ki prangut ki ba mensaw Henryungut lapen kan ria Shanegrims Uweisha Nazareth Hospital but Uweisha Juwai ong umintri uba la kemen upin tip ru bahaka step Henry Tarik arkin hun naka NDRF nalor ki officer bat ki doktor kilawan poi haka tika jaka ban penlong ya ki kam ai jingaram bat ban pentik na ba onam dan ki ban sakut hapu katika krem doyong haka nika jingwat ki kinhun ai jingarap kila yo ban sei saya ka wei ka metyam haka por kamba shibaji steng menski ka bakin tiu ya ka jing don jing ki bayam sya ka khat khandai ngun ula ong ru ba ki board district kila yo ban kemno ya arut ki beriu ya ki bala suba ba ki dei ki badan kti haka kamti doyong bean bat ka jing to kit menta kadang ya syakman ula ong ru ba ka jing kem ki beriu ki badan kti kandang ai beteng lada don kam ula benram ba menta kila shim ki senjam ban kurup ya katika par doyong bean bat ikitiar kitar da ka ba banjur halor ka jingdan kam ban khanglat iki ba kum ki digi jingja hadien habun uba la kemen ula pen pauru ka jing sngungu ya umintri rang ba du kari ubala pen bena ya ka song jingarap syaki bahayeng hasam jing kilanon bat pentip bana kaliang umintri rang ba ka jelaru ula batha yu u ban jurip mardor syakatika jaka bat ban pentikna ban shim ya baro ke senjam ban pendap kloy kat bala ya ka kam ai jingaram ki kam ai jingaram bat pelat im kadang ya syakman haka ba ka kinhun naka NDRF SDRF pulit magistrate bat ki board district kila don haka nika jaka
Kisna phải phăng đấy. Điểm sắt phi cấm ngửa trước ăn
Ting mit deh yang hi gini le.
tes ada tes.
अरे कोई लोकल है यहाँ पे और जाने वाला अंदर और लोकल एक कोई लोकल अंदर जाने के लिए है अरे आजा भाई आजा आजा
As you know that this unfortunate incident which happened yesterday, so as soon as the news, the information come to know that this incident happened, immediately the officers from the district, the BDO and also medical team have tried to reach this area. and the team of SDRF and the NDRF are stationed in the district also. They have reached, but when they reach here, they found that 18 bodies already been dead, and then 8 people have been injured, and all those 18 bodies have been shifted to Kleret for the necessary procedure, and the 8 bodies injured, 6 have been shifted to Negrim, and 1 in Silhasta and 1 in Juai. So these are the sequence of events yesterday, and more importantly, the ADC station here, the BDO, the medical team, and today morning 2 more team of NDRF have reached here, and with the officers and the doctor from NDRF, and also to see that whether anybody could be rescued or any more people are there inside the mine. So, but till now, they start operation in the morning, and at around 1:30, 1 more body, when we are here, you have seen that 1 more body have been retrieved in this thing, which already died, and the same procedure as done yesterday will be followed. So, but from the district administration, also they have arrested 2 persons, suspect who for this incident. 2 persons have been arrested, and investigation is going on, and more arrests, if necessary, will be done. And most importantly, the district administration, they have tried to seize all those mines and thing, and necessary thing is to be done, so that this type of unfortunate incident should not happen in the future. So regarding the thing also, for this incident, I'm very thankful to Honorable Prime Minister that he has announced ex gratia payment, and also to Honorable Chief Minister who have deputed us to come here immediately and report to him, and see that to leave no stone unturned, to see that whatever necessary thing to be done need to be done, so that this case could be closed as early as possible, with the sense that no more body is there in the mine, or if anybody need to be rescued, it could be rescued safely. So I'm very thankful to NDRF, and I hope that with their continuous working of NDRF, SDRF, the team of police point, the magistrate, and this administration, we will able to see that this operation will finish as soon as possible.
Kawan kata kau pedung, kawan kata kau.
Tetap hal yang ini, betul ya.
Kau pedung boleh itu.
Oh, betul ya, Mak. Ketika tiro em ya. Hani yang kau ni itu le guna menit, hani udah semua ni berani. Hak ketika menyoyak pulau guna ni buat itu. Labit tahu pulau ni, tahu ni, labit.
Betul banyak tak pedung.
Labit. Lah tu ni. Tahu ni.
Ni tai. Dia kan ni ban.
Ibi dapat terus buat ni. Lock cuba, ma. Ibi lock. Dah kam dah. Kaya mesti yang tepai ko sayaw. Kami. Lock kam tu ni. Ibi katal tai nang. Tai tu ni. Ia tepai tu buat ni. Ia cam cepat. Thang le tai. Dia ini sini dapat lu tu nang. Dia cam ni. Dia mi din sini. Sini kalau. Ibu tak rani ini wajah bro. Tak dia.
Tengok ni tu.
Mi ke sini.
Menurut telegram apa?
Kat yu nongkong nak mau kau. San. Mungkin dulu terli saya kata ni tak ni. Mut ini berapa ya ju dak jong lang kam yong ni kam teh yong. Itu apa?
Mut itu berulin itu banyak ni kan yo ni mana apa?
Gini apa kata?
Yo ni telegram. Yo ni telegram.
अभी 1 पहाड़ हो गया, 2 पहाड़ हो गया, 3 पहाड़, 4, 5 पहाड़ हो गया अभी। तो मालिक 5 मालिक है, 5 मालिक।
Hewan kita
कितना बजे होगा ये मतलब एक्सीडेंट?
अनुमान 7:30-8 बजे, 7:30 और 8 बजे का अंदर हो गया। तो कल बॉडी निकल रहा है तो 11-12 बजे जैसा में 17 लोग जिंदा निकला है, 17 लोग, और मरा वाला आदमी तो क्या जाने 19 निकाला है मरा वाला। तो रात में भी पुलिस लोग भी 2 निकाला है बोलता है। तो अभी हम लोग जा रहा है अभी कम से कम हम लोग को दिमाग से है अभी 19 है, लेकिन अभी 3 ठूटा ये नज़दीक में है बोल रहा है। अभी उधर से हमको नहीं मिला है, अभी इधर से जा रहा हूँ। इधर से जाने से तो अच्छा से मिलेगा। आज पता चलेगा अभी जितना है हम लोग जाएगा ना, जितना है सब निकालेगा। अभी वही टाइम में ब्राश हुआ ना, वही टाइम में तो आग भी जल गया, इसलिए गैस हुआ था। अभी इसका टेंशन नहीं है। अभी हम सब तरफ घूर के आए हैं ना, सब तरफ। हाँ, लेकिन हमारे साथ में एक आदमी तो होना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हम वो डेड बॉडी देखने से ना डर लगता है। नहीं वो ऐसा तो नहीं है ना। हाँ, देखने से ना थोड़ा वो होता है, लेकिन दोष होने से इतना डर नहीं होगा। हाँ, खाली एकला होने से तो डर होगा ना।
Yes, my name is Hitendra Kandari. I'm Commandant of 1st Battalion of NDRF, National Disaster Response Force. Yesterday we got the information that an incident has happened here in East Jantia Hills, and one of our team was actually in this area for some fabrication exercise, which is a routine. So we diverted that team to this place, and they reached in the late evening, and in the night they came to this place, and they were stationed here. We have sent two more teams from Guwahati. They have also reached, and this operation is going on. Today in the morning we conducted 2 searches, and now we didn't find anything in that hole. So we are now conducting another search operation in adjacent well. There is first thing is that we are not familiar with what is inside there, how many rat holes, what is their extent and all. And sometimes because it was a fire incident, there might be some residue of the gases. So if we need to go down with our breathing apparatus, so it will be very difficult to move in the breathing apparatus, in the rat holes with the breathing apparatus. We have to make sure that there is no gas residue, so we can move in the rat holes. That is one issue that we are facing. Another is that this walls of the well have become brittle, and this is a soily surface, and sometimes some surface is falling off, so it's a risk for the people down there.